All right, yesterday we looked at storms. A tornado is when we get what's called a funnel cloud that comes down out of the sky. It's a really old picture. You can see the swirling air up above. We call this a family of tornadoes because we have more than one. There's a tornado going right down the beach in Miami. That's sand. You can see when tornadoes do go through neighborhoods, they are very dangerous. You want to get down low. You want to get in a closet or in a bathroom where you have small walls that can stay up. If you were here at school, we have drills where you go to different places. You want to cover your head. Because if you get hit by something, and protect your head. If you are in science, you want to get under one of these tables. Tables are strong and heavy and big. And if something starts to fall, you'll be safe under there. You can see tornadoes can pick up anything and throw it 300 miles an hour. We measure them on something called the Fujita scale. A scientist named Ted Fujita came up with ways to call them based on their wind speed and their damage. So here you see an F1 that's going to blow around trash cans, maybe knock down a stick or two out of the tree. An F2 can tear the roof off of a house. An F3 is going to knock down walls inside the house. An F4 is going to knock down the whole house. And an F5 is going to pick up the house. We get a lot of tornadoes in Indiana. The United States is known for tornadoes. In the middle of the country, we call it Tornado Alley. And it's because we get cold, dry air. Cold air, no water. It comes out of Canada and it comes out of the Rocky Mountains. And the cold air moves from west to east. And then in the Gulf of Mexico, it's hot and wet. So they're opposites. Cold and dry, hot and wet. And when they crash, they don't like each other. And that's what causes the swirl. Cold and dry, hot and wet, and right in the middle is the tornadoes. You can see tornado tracks over the last 60 years. All these big ones down in Mississippi and Alabama. Big tornadoes in northern Texas, Oklahoma. But even in Indiana, most people don't realize we get a lot of tornadoes. We have to be ready. We have to have a plan. This is a tornado in Indiana. You can see it's got a family of tornadoes, a very big tornado. And it hit the town. You can see all these blue things that you see are tarps that they put over the roof because the roof is gone. They ripped all these roofs off. Where you can see the school was damaged. It ripped the roof off of half the school. The gym, it tore the roof off of that. And there you can see the damage from the tornado right in Indiana. We get cold, dry air and warm, wet air. Now, sometimes tornadoes can go over the water. We call that a water spout. Water spout, tornado on the water. A couple cool pictures of water spouts. This one is in Florida. And this one, double water spout, that's in Lake Michigan, the top of Indiana. All right, that's all for today.